In this segment, we're going to talk about the leg out and the color requirement for the leg out depending on the type of pattern. So you can determine if the leg out needs to be a color that coincides with the type of pattern. In this case here, we have a drop, base, rally. The default would be that the candle was required to be green as opposed to red. In this scenario here, where we have a drop, base, drop, the default would be that the candle body would need to be red, but you can change that and allow for green. And this is an option for all four patterns. So let me show you where to make that change. So here, drop, base, rally, green layout required. The default is true. If you change that to false, it will allow it to be red. And then for the rally, base, rally, green leg out required. And again, the default is true for that. And if you want to allow red, you can change that to false. And then for the rally base drop, red leg out is required, and that is the default. And if you want to allow a green candle, you would have to change that to false. And then for the drop, base, drop, the red leg out is required. That is defaulted to true. And if you want to change that, you would have to set that to false to allow a green leg out. So that tells you a little bit about how the leg out colors are used.